Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Verizon Message Plus not working on your Android or iPhone.
Fix 1. Restart your phone. Step 1. Turn off your phone completely. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Open Message Plus and check if it works. Fix 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Try opening a web page to confirm your internet works. Step 3. If not, switch networks or restart your router. Fix 3. Clear app cache Android only. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Message Plus. Step 2. Tap Storage, clear cache, and then clear data. Step 3. Reopen the app and sign in again. Fix 4. Update the app. Step 1. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Search Verizon Message Plus. Step 3. Tap Update if available. Fix 5. Check app permissions. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Message Plus Permissions. Step 2. Make sure SMS, contacts, and storage are allowed. Fix 6. Set Message Plus as default Android. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, SMS app. Step 2. Select Verizon Message Plus as the default.